All right. Every Thanksgiving meal has to have a salad, doesn't it? But, and I always do, I always have some kind of salad. But if y'all are like me, you've noticed that the salad is the least eaten of all the dishes. The macaroni and cheese, the cornbread dressing, the mashed potatoes, or the rice and all that's gone.
You gotta step up your game with the salad.
Yes, and then I got enough salad for days. So, I think this Thanksgiving, that's really up to you what kind of salad you want. But I think I'm gonna do a Brussels sprout and cranberry salad that is in Cooking with Paula Deen magazine. And this is what it's gonna look like. And Brussels sprouts right now, they're so popular. I think they're at the height of their popularity, don't y'all? And
oh yeah.
I mean, you can't go into a restaurant and not find Brussels sprouts on the menu. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make my dressing first. And I'm just gonna pick this up and read it off to you. And maybe you won't have to replay this video to get all your ingredients. Okay, I need 4 1/4 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. That's the apple cider vinegar. I'm not sure what that is.
Maple syrup?
Could be. I bet it is. And it's probably my diet maple, right?
Nope.
Oh, it's not. It's the real deal.
It's the real deal.
Yay. I can tell you real quick, like, that's a real deal, y'all. So 4 teaspoons of maple syrup, 1 1/4 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. We're gonna put 3/4 of a teaspoon of kosher salt and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And we've got 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 1 pound of Brussels sprouts trimmed and thinly sliced. Now, like I said, Teresa is getting so good at prepping all these dishes for me. She actually did her Brussels sprouts with her mandolin. So I really like that, Teresa. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And it's gonna be easy to eat that way. All right, and 1/2 cup of sliced almonds, toasted. Have those been toasted, Teresa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, they look like it. And 1/2 cup of dried cranberries and 1/2 cup of crumbled feta cheese. So we're gonna make our dressing first. And we're just gonna pour everything. All right, now how much olive oil? 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Yep, that's the olive oil. Sometimes it looks just like a little too much and I'll go behind, but that's perfect. All right, and then we're gonna add our Dijon mustard. Our pure maple syrup. It's gonna give it that little sweet, tangy taste, Betty. I don't know, I might wanna save the almonds for on top. But in my recipe, I said toss them on in. And of course, our 1/2 cup of dried cranberries and 1/2 cup of crumbled cheddar cheese.
No, feta cheese.
Feta, what did I say?
Cheddar.
Cheddar cheese.
I was going, there's no
That is the
cheese
funniest
left.
looking cheddar cheese I've ever seen. And 1/2 cup of feta cheese. So we're just gonna stir all those together. And how much salt did I say? 3/4 of a teaspoon. Okay, that looks like 3/4 of a teaspoon. And then, how much black pepper does it call for? 1/2 teaspoon. Hopefully the children will eat this. You're talking about an easy, beautiful salad. This is it, y'all. This is it. Now we just want to stir that all together and make sure it's moistened through and through. And then we found this pretty bowl that Bobby and Cloud had here at the house. And that's what we're gonna put our salad in. And it looks real festive, doesn't it? Oh, Eddie, you didn't tell me how much it weighs.
It's a little bit of a weight.
Michael, come on in.
I just got a little bit of a...
Come on in.
He scared me for a second.
Michael just walked up to the glass door and we couldn't hear him. Michael, you're just in time to move this bowl for me.
Okay, what you need?
I'm kidding you. I went to pick it up and it weighs a ton. So nobody's gonna be passing this bowl around the table. I can promise you that.
It'd be my ice cream bowl.
Yes. All right, so look what I've got ready, Michael, for our Thanksgiving meal.
I didn't know what I was thinking.
What were you thinking?
I wasn't thinking salad for Thanksgiving.
We're going all healthy this Thanksgiving.
That's scary.
That's what that's what I said, Michael. You know, I always have some kind of salad at Thanksgiving. Okay, I think something's ready in the oven.
We usually have it the day after Thanksgiving too.
You're gonna love the tofu turkey this year.
That's what I said. You know, all of the sides are gone, and I've still got a great big bowl or pan of salad.
Yeah.
But
Not this year.
not this year, because who wants a taste?
It kind of reminds me of like Asian slaw or something.
Come taste, Michael.
Yeah, you would never know you're eating Brussels sprouts.
Another dish approved
So good.
by- I bet Claudia would approve that dish too.
That's good.
She might not have to cook today.
Isn't that yummy?
I think you could slice some apples or something in there too.
You know what? I'm thinking,
Or shrimp. Or steak.
yeah, shrimp would be delicious in there. But I'm thinking I'm gonna top it, when I take it to the table, I'm gonna top it with some homemade croutons.
Yummy.
That's good.
So good. I'm so glad you like it, because that's what you're having for Thanksgiving.
Not me.
You not?
No, I'll go get a turkey sandwich somewhere.
Yeah, you know you're gonna want that.
You also know you don't want a turkey sandwich.
Yeah. Well, it is good, but I don't really think that that's what I've been thinking about for Thanksgiving.
I say this will be the last thing on the table. This
Yeah.
will have the most left, but it's delicious, y'all. You gotta have your token salad. It might as well be a good one.
Actually, you know what? When you make your turkey sandwich the next day, that would be a good.
Oh, wouldn't that be good on it? Yum, yum. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.